All right, guys, 2023 TRX Ram. This is what it sounds like before. Beautiful, still sounds mean. Even with factory exhaust. Here's sound decibels. You guys can see it still hits 102. So we're gonna take the mufflers off and put some FLOWMASTER Outlaws on it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2021 Ram TRX. What is it, Juan?
TRX.
Yes, sir. Custom bumper. Look at this thing. That is sick. Imagine how bright that is. Wow. I bet you that's a really bright bumper. At night, that's cool though. Anyway, it's got a lift kit, really nice wheels, just a nice stance on these trucks. What we got done on it, something a little different. Every time we do something different. Factory converter. Then it's already trudled from the factory, and then they have this gigantic X pipe on it right there for all those horses or rams. Anyways, 3-inch continues, and then what we did is put 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 15430S as in Sam, shorties right there, instead of the 2 mufflers that go on it right there. Okay, as you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. Added hangers, and then left the resonators on it for now. He's gonna test it out for a week or so and see if he likes it. That's what the resonators look like right there, if you guys don't know. And then it's got 4.5-inch black angle cut tips out the back, or 5-inch there and there. And then he's got a custom bumper on the back too. It's a really nice truck. And here's the 2 mufflers that were on it. We cut them off. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. There'll be a link in the description for everything that for those 2 mufflers. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. My new favorite. Go ahead. Wow. Outlaws the way to go. Go ahead. TRX. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Let you guys hear on the inside. TRX, FLOWMASTER Outlaws, X5. Factories, resonators. I wish it wasn't raining, guys, sorry, but we'll make do with whatever we have. There it goes. Woohoo! Heavy, heavy, baby. That sounds so sick. I like it.